Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about taking those first steps towards a healthier and happier you. You guessed it, we're talking about the amazing benefits of starting a daily walking routine. So grab your walking shoes and let's explore what could happen if you commit to walking every day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our empowering content. Let's get started. All right, folks, it all starts with that first step out the door. By committing to a daily walking routine, you're embracing the power of consistency. Think about it. Each step you take is a tiny victory that accumulates over time. Whether it's a brisk morning stroll or a relaxing evening walk, being consistent can lead to some incredible transformations. Walking isn't just a stroll in the park, pun intended. Your physical health can experience a significant boost. Regular walking can improve your cardiovascular health, strengthen your bones and muscles, and even help you manage your weight. Plus, it's a low-impact exercise, making it a great option for people of all fitness levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Walking has a wonderful way of clearing the mental cobwebs and lifting your spirits. As you step outside and breathe in the fresh air, you're giving your mind a chance to reset. It's a perfect opportunity to reflect, meditate, or simply enjoy some peace and quiet. Studies show that walking can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, leaving you with a brighter outlook on life. Are you looking to boost your creative mojo? Well, guess what? Walking might just be your secret weapon. Many artists, writers, and thinkers throughout history have sworn by the power of walking to stimulate their creative juices. So, if you're in a creative rut, take a walk and let your imagination run wild. Walking isn't limited to a solo endeavor either. Grab a friend, a family member, or even your furry companion and hit the pavement together. Walking provides an excellent opportunity to bond with loved ones, catch up on each other's lives, and create lasting memories. It's a win-win for your relationships and your well-being. Now here's the fun part, exploring your surroundings. Walking can open your eyes to hidden gems in your neighborhood or city that you might have overlooked before. Take a detour, discover new parks, and embrace the adventure of uncovering the beauty that's right outside your doorstep. So how do you get started on this incredible walking journey? Here are a few tips to set you on the right path. Set realistic goals. Begin with a manageable distance and gradually increase as your stamina improves. Create a routine. Choose a time that works best for you, whether it's early morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening. Wear comfortable shoes. Invest in a good pair of walking shoes to keep your feet happy and comfortable. Stay hydrated. Bring a water bottle along to stay refreshed, especially on longer walks. Track your progress. Use a fitness app or a pedometer to monitor your steps and celebrate your achievements. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey that awaits when you start walking every day. Remember, it's not just about the physical benefits, it's about embracing a lifestyle that nourishes both your body and mind. So, lace up those shoes, step out, and let your walking adventure begin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, keep walking and keep shining. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to share your walking experiences, leave a comment down below. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care!